welcome back to BB, and welcome to my spring FabFitFun unboxing. Unfortunately, very much not in keeping with the theme of this video, I'm not feeling very fab or fit or fun today, so if my energy's off, I got a nasty sunburn a couple of days ago, and I wasn't feeling it yesterday too badly. Today, it's hit me. So let's get into it. So I get the annual subscription. So I was billed $180, I believe, 6 months ago or so. And that meant that I got to customize all 6 of the items in this box. Additionally, I get a little bit earlier access than seasonal subscribers who pay $50 a month. So there may be some options that weren't available by the time seasonal members got to it. Let's put this on the ground. It's pretty heavy. I did have a pretty big add-on item, which I'm guessing is accounting for, I think, most of the bulk. So that would be this. This is the Golden Rabbit Enamelware Dutch Oven. Do I have any scissors? One moment. All right, so here is what this looks like. I do like this blue and white, I'm gonna call this like a Rorschach test pattern, and it's a decent size. I think that especially if you're only cooking for 1 or 2 people, which is me always, that this would actually work out pretty well. I don't know how often I will actually use this. I do see recipes that I'm interested in trying that require a Dutch oven, and I don't have one. Now, will me now having one actually get me to use it? Who knows? But I thought that $15, which was the add-on price for this, was pretty reasonable. I have family members who have little Dutch ovens that actually use them a lot. My parents probably use theirs about once a week, maybe even more like twice a week during the winter. So I thought I would give that a go. And now we will get to the things that were in the box proper. So let's start with an umbrella. Again, I'm gonna take a minute to open up the package. Looks to be a pretty good size. Hopefully I'm not going to knock the camera down right now. But yeah, that's a very decent sized umbrella. Cool. It's very much an umbrella that could handle 2 people underneath, which I appreciate. I do have an umbrella, but it's a little bit smaller, and I wanted another one anyway. I'd been kind of thinking about picking up another one if I ever saw them on good sale at Target or something, because I like having these squirreled away, you know, one in my car, one in my bag, one just lying around my house, because it never fails. If I don't have multiple, I will just, you know, this will be in my car and I'll have to go out in the rain to go get my umbrella, completely defeating the point. So I do like that. I thought the print was very pretty. I do like this blue and yellow floral, so I'm very happy with this. I don't know if the little cover is ever going to go back on the umbrella, but that's fine. I was gonna lose this anyway relatively quickly, I'm sure. So there's item number 1. Item number 2 is a spoon rest. Now, I don't remember picking this out. I did let FabFitFun choose one item for me. There was just one set of options, none of which seemed very appealing. I think there were like some different hair leave-in products, and then the spoon rest, and 1 or 2 other things that I just really didn't care about. And I'm interested to see what this looks like. I do have a spoon rest that I'm quite happy with, but You know what? If this is cute, I wouldn't mind having another one out in a different spot. Yeah. It's not my favorite thing in this box, but you know what? It's kind of cute. I will put it out. So next, let's grab whatever this is. This is not what I picked. I definitely did not choose this. This is from Butter London, and it's their Teddy Girl 9-piece eyeshadow palette. That's kind of a bummer. I hope that we'll find the Hourglass blush that I actually picked in here, but I think this was another choice under the same customization category. Oh, bummer. That hasn't happened to me before. I'll have to double check that I picked the right thing. I do like the concept of a teddy girl, you know, very cute late 50s, early 60s vibes. But, I mean, this color scheme is not really me. It's not bad. It's just, you know, kind of basic. I feel like you could put this in Too Faced packaging and that would seem about right. I'm not sure I want to touch this because I'm not sure that I'll keep it. So we'll see. Let's see. First, we have a Hypernova Eye Serum, which this packaging was a choice, but let's see. What does this look like? Okay, it's a click pen. I don't know. It looks interesting for sure. I will give it a go, and again, I will update you guys at some point when I have used this about whether or not I think it's worthwhile. This definitely feels somewhat expensive. There's a nice weight to the packaging. It's sort of a ceramic feeling packaging. I don't think this is actually ceramic though. The font feels, they've put some effort into the graphic design. I'm interested to give it a go. So, and that I'm fairly certain that I actually did pick. Next up, we have the biggest item of the box, which is a hat and bag duo. Again, we're going to skip ahead a while I open a package. All right, so here is the duffel bag. I like the design of this. I really like this floral print. I'm sure that's surprising based off everything we've gone over so far today. I do like this nice shiny gold hardware. That's pretty. I think I was hoping this would be just a little bit bigger. I was kind of envisioning a gym bag that would maybe be 1.5 times this length and maybe just a little bit taller and deeper, but I think I could make this work. I do not have a bag this size. I don't have a duffel bag at all, I believe. I could be wrong on that though. But I think I can get some use out of this, and I think it looks nice. I'm interested in the Alice and Olivia brand. I think it's cool that I was able to try something through this box at a little bit of a lower price point. This was marked as stupidly expensive on the FabFitFun website. I think they were trying to tell you that this was like a $230 bag and hat duo. I don't think it feels worth that at all, but I do like the item, and I feel like as part of a $45 set, essentially, worked out pretty well. Hey, maybe if I'd been wearing this, I wouldn't have gotten my sunburn. Maybe my mood would be better. Okay, am I gonna leave the hat on? Probably. So I think the last item in here, am I missing something? Umbrella, spoon rest, serum. No, I'm not. The last item in here is the Pharmacy Honey Halo Ultra Hydrating Ceramide Moisturizer. I have heard really good things about this. I'm trying to remember who it was. I want to say Teresa is Dead was talking about this somewhat recently, like in between when I placed my customization order and when I actually received this box. So I'm really pretty excited for this. It's a pricey little moisturizer. It's not something that I think I would purchase directly, but I am really interested, again, to try something from Pharmacy. I've heard a lot of good things about, I think it's their Honeymoon Glow, which is maybe a lactic acid serum. I don't remember exactly what that is. And their Green Clean. This is a different product. This is their moisturizer. Like I said earlier, they have a little spatula. The top is magnetic so that it sticks to it quite nicely. And I'm not going to crack it open because I'm not ready to open a new moisturizer yet, but I think I'm going to like this. And this is 1.7 fluid ounces or 50 mils, and I'm sure that's a full size. So overall, I got the little bucket hat and miniature duffel bag set, the Honey Halo moisturizer, the Super Eye Serum, a spoon rest, the Teddy Girl palette. Hopefully I will be able to exchange this for the Hourglass blush. Fingers crossed. I also got the umbrella, and I purchased the little Dutch oven separately. So I think that for $60, what I have in front of me was very worth it. If I get the Hourglass blush in place of the Teddy Girl palette, it will be extremely worth it. There are my thoughts. If you have any other questions about FabFitFun, please do feel free to ask. I will do my best to answer. Thank you so much for watching. Please consider liking and subscribing if you enjoyed, and I really hope that I will see you in my next video. Bye!